Choi Woo-sik English name is Edward Choi. He was born in Seoul, South Korea on March 26, 1990. He migrated to Vancouver, Canada with his family when he was 10 years old. In 2010, Woo-sik returned to Korea and auditioned to become an actor. He gained most of his popularity with the film Train to Busan in 2016. Choi Woo-sik is fluent in English and Korean. In 2011, Choi enrolled at Chung-Ang University where he majored in cultural studies. He is part of the Wooga Squad, that is a friendship group consisting of Park Seo-joon, BTS-B, Park Young-sik, and Pick Boy. Choi Woo-sik ideal type is. Thank you for watching.